This is page number 23 of Alfred Basic Piano 1A, and now you're going to be playing it in new position. We've been playing in the middle C position. Now we're going to go to the C position. Here you separate your right hand and the left hand, so they are not together. And then you see, so we are moving it from the middle position. We are moving to the C position now, like this. Let me show you on the piano. So this was this middle C position. Now we move to C. So we move to C position. So let's hear what this sound like. Okay. 2, 3, 4. So that's it. Thank you.